Hi everybody, my name is Jamie and I do the content at TemboTusk. Today we're going to be drawing recipes from a hat. Whatever we pick, we have to make. Nobody knows what each other put, so it's going to be interesting. Let's go see how everything turns out.
This one. Mexican street corn. So 2 tablespoons of butter first, some corn. The corn can be frozen or fresh, could be canned corn too. So we're just gonna cook this until you get a little char on the corn. Should be fairly quick on the Skottle. So we're gonna put some garlic in. We're gonna put some chili and lime powder on. It says about a teaspoon, but we're gonna do a little bit more than that. It's gonna be good. Some cilantro next. 2 limes. Cheese. Some mayo. Get some salt going, and we're ready to mix it all up. All right, so everything's done. It's all mixed up, and it actually looks really good. This is Jake's recipe. Stay tuned for Bryan's pick.